Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop your picture on the Lumii-Photo Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture from your device and tap to the crop button at the lower left corner of the screen. And here you can edit the size of your picture, you can crop your images. And here you can find different borders, for example, Instagram story, Facebook profile, YouTube cover, Pinterest posts, and more. And if you don't, just click to the check button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.